Hello, I'm Shanai. Today I'm going to share how to sprout peanuts. Peanut sprouts are sweet, juicy, and crunchy. It could be a healthy snack, and it could be a salad. After many times of trying, I found a couple of ways that work, and this is my favorite way. For better germination, we'd better use new crop and share the peanuts right before sprouting. And we also need to get rid of the unhealthy ones. Right before we soak the peanuts with water, pre-treat them in hydrogen peroxide. Mix 1 part of hydrogen peroxide with 1 part of water. Submerge the peanuts in the solution for 3 minutes. This will prevent the peanuts from rotting in the middle of sprouting. And soak the peanuts with water for 6 hours. And rinse and drain and cover with a damp towel to germinate until you see the white tail appear. For the sprouting kit, you need a planting pot with a hole in the bottom. You also need a gardening expanded clay. Depending on how big your pot is, you will need 1 full pot of this clay. I use a pot that measures 8 inches wide and 7 inches tall. Line the pot with 2 inches of clay. Insert the germinated peanuts in clay, white tails down. Cover the peanuts with clay all the way up to the top of the pot. What you need to do next is to flush the pot twice a day and let it drain every time. And 7 days later, some peanut sprouts reach to the surface. Now please enjoy the harvest moment with me. So the 3 key points are: use new crop, share before sprouting, pre-treat peanuts with hydrogen peroxide. Okay, that's all for today's video. If you like it, please give me a thumb up and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'm Shanai. See you next time.